Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another slime video. And today I have my purple slime and let's just read some more.
Go out.
So, yeah. I'm sorry guys about the background noises. It's my brothers for playing Minecraft.
That's the weirdest thing I've ever heard. Shut up, okay? I'm gonna go play Bed Wars.
Sorry about the background noises. They're so loud right now.
Fiona, you better shut.
And
What
it's
team do you want me to
snowing
be
right now.
I'm not playing in Roblox.
Yeah.
No, I mean, what team do you want me to be in?
What do you mean?
Like red team or blue team or purple team or like
What?
The color team.
What do you mean?
I think this is a really nice slime.
Wait.
I really like it. So let's
Wait.
move on to the next slime.
I mean, what color team?
I have to go play some Alien Invasion.
What?
Here's the next one, and this is a baby clay one, but it's really foggy.
That's crazy.
And it's really warm.
Oh, that's stupid.
Yeah, I'm in blue
Pokey,
team.
so yeah. And after
Hey.
this, I'm going to make another
No, I'm
video.
in red team.
Let's get slime.
Oh god.
And
I have to go on a different server if I want to
container.
go on
This
Bed
is
Wars.
slime. And this is not a store-bought slime.
Oh.
So yeah.
And
I
that
gotta go on Lifeboat.
Let's do this
I
one.
have to go on
This is my
Lifeboat
mint green
Network.
slime. It's actually not really minty, but still. I got mint green. So, yeah.
Don't forget to play some Minecraft server.
Shut up.
You better shut your
So here's my mint green slime, and yeah, I like it and all. Yeah. Let's try making one swirl.
You better shut your big mouth.
Shut up.
Bed Wars.
Hey,
Let me get a block.
Moving on to the next
Block,
slime.
block, block, block.
What?
Sound block.
They put me in the hive, I think.
Let's
No,
do this
they put
yellow
me in the
one.
hive. They're putting me in the.
Okay, so here's the yellow one. I like it. It kind of looks green because I accidentally added one
What is this?
drop of blue because it was really small. So yeah, and I really like it. So yeah, let's move on to the next one.
Where is Bed Wars? Oh, Bed Wars. Duo.
And this is my pink, my red/pink one. I used red food coloring, but now it does not look like red. So yeah, it's kind of hard, and yeah, but I still like it. So yeah, that's it for this. And I think I'm just gonna do some ASMR with my green slime because I didn't really get to. So let's do it. So here's my green slime, and I love this one. It's really stretchy, as you guys can see. And yeah, let's make a swirl.
For my mouth, basic wall deep. I need wall. I need to get some
Here's my swirl.
big, which I don't know when I don't care.
Sorry if you can't hear the poking noises, because my fingers are really big, and the slime is really small. So yeah, and I think that's it. So make sure you guys like and give this video a big. What? Sorry guys, I did my intro. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my channel. I have 2 of them, so I'll leave the link in the description box down below. And yeah, make sure you guys give this video a big like and smash subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notification every single time I post my videos. So bye.
I did it first try.